राजश्री सोल से सारे अपडेट्स पाने के लिए बेल आइकन दबाइए। राजश्री सोल से राजश्री सोल से सारे अपडेट्स पाने के लिए
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. You are all are welcome for the opening of Ingenuity 2021. I am Manjari Srivastav and my companion Vikram Kanodia, students of BTech Computer Science and Engineering Department, feel honored to welcome you all to School of Management Sciences, Lucknow.
This event has been in work for 2 weeks, and today we are inaugurating it with a hopeful heart that all of you will enjoy this event. This event never possible without your support.
Firstly, I would extend my gratitude on behalf of Computer Science and Engineering Department to CEO Mr. Sharad Singh Sir, Director Professor Manoj Mehrotra Sir, Director General Professor Bharat Raj Singh Sir, Dean Dr. Dharmendra Singh Sir, who have granted us permission to perform this event via online mode. Our faculty members and coordinators contributed a lot to make this event possible with a great zeal to manage all ups and downs of the event. We will wait for Director Sir for some time. Please be with us.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning and welcome, sir.
Good morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Good 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 morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. You all are welcome to
It is
Engineering
requested, please
2021.
mute your mic.
Vastav and my companion Vikram Kanodia, students of BTech Computer Science and Engineering, feel honored to welcome you all to School of Management Sciences, Lucknow.
This event has been in work for few weeks, and today we are inaugurating it with a hopeful heart that all of you will enjoy this event. This event was never possible without your support.
Firstly, I would extend my gratitude on behalf of Computer Science and Engineering Department to CEO Mr. Sharad Singh Sir, Director Professor Manoj Mehrotra Sir, Director General Professor Bharat Raj Singh Sir, Dean Dr. Dharmendra Singh Sir, who have granted us permission to perform this event via online mode. Our faculty members and coordinators supported us a lot with a great enthusiasm and zeal to manage all up and downs of this event.
It is our culture to remember God Almighty for everything. Let's begin with this seeking the blessings and presence of Goddess Saraswati. I would request my fellow companion to play Saraswati Vandana.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदाम् जाड्यान्धकारापहाम् हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्
Thank you all for helping us to create such a heavenly environment.
SMS Lucknow is amongst the leading management and engineering institutes, not only in Lucknow but in Uttar Pradesh as well. The commitment towards providing quality education, practical knowledge, and research give it a specific place in the list of top-rated institutes. Our SMS Institute is certified by being awarded NAC B++ certificate accreditation in its first cycle.
Its finest architecture with lush green campus spreading over an area of 16 acres increases its specification. This institute is equipped with all modern amenities. So let's take you towards the virtual tour of our college. I request my companion.
This is not just a presentation. It is the panorama of a promising future. There are no dreams too large, no innovation unimaginable, and no frontiers beyond our reach. An institute where students turn their imaginations into reality. An institute with its innovations crafting a place in history. A place of learning beyond books. A place of learning on life.
SMS Lucknow, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow, the only institute and the youngest to have B++ grade accreditation from NAC in a very short span of just 9 years in the state of UP. SMS Lucknow, a top 50 B school by Business India and Best Engineering Institute, North by ASSOCHAM.
Over the years, our students have demonstrated tremendous talent and zeal for success. Ritesh Tiwari, an alumnus of BTech, has made us proud by reaching to a staggering package of 28 lakhs per annum in less than 2 years at Bupa, London.
Evidently, our alumni are already the who's who of the corporate world. They are working at companies like Aircel, Berger Paints, Ceasefire Industries, Garware Wallropes, Godrej, HCL Technologies, ICICI Bank, JK Tires at prominent positions. SMS Lucknow continues to provide excellent platform to students to help them fly high, with sky being the only limit.
Our previous batches got placed in companies like Berger Paints, JK Tires, Mother Dairy, Bajaj Group, Aircel, Indian Army with highest package of 9 lakhs per annum. Year on year, our placements have shown a positive trend. Companies like Mahindra & Mahindra, Luxor, Oppo Mobile, Intel, DCM Shriram, TCS, Datamatics, Capital Wire, ZTE Telecom, Airtel, and many other are a testimony of our efforts and commitment towards quality education. Jobs are plenty, but the right candidates are missing. At SMS Lucknow, the gap between employment and employability is bridged to prepare students for the industry. Our focus is on the all-round development of the students. We not only make you technically sound by focusing on the fundamentals and providing value-added courses like Business Analytics, SPSSNR, CNC Machine Training, SolidWorks, CATIA, .NET, Cloud Computing, Android, PLC and Drive, C++, Embedded, Android, Total Station, Primavera 6.0 SolidWorks, and StatPro, etc. But also make you industry ready by training you on behavioral skills, spoken English, group discussion, personal interview, and aptitude training in collaboration with online testing platforms like CoCubes and ServiceNet.
And that's not all. Get the winning edge by working, innovating, and learning with the best brains at our CV Raman Center for Research and Innovation. Work on projects like the proud innovation of the Aerobike, solar car, trash collecting robot, firefighting robot, micro hydro turbine, manually operated washing machine, and speed breaker, electricity generator, etc. Few of them have been registered, has its name in the prestigious Limca Book of Records for its groundbreaking fuel technology. Also get tutorials at the MOOCs Education Enhancement Facility through Remote Center of IIT Bombay in UP, along with NPTEL Local Chapter by IIT Madras, which helps students to obtain certificates for various online and job-oriented courses. Not only this, SMS Lucknow has established the Kalam Center at its campus to promote culture of giving and social development through innovation. Entrepreneurship Cell has also been established at SMS Lucknow to facilitate innovations and entrepreneurship among its students.
Above all, keep yourself regularly updated about the industry by taking advantage of our industry associations with prestigious organizations like Confederation of Indian Industry and PSD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and develop yourself by participating in the events and seminars jointly held by us.
Come, live the most memorable years of your education and leave behind beautiful memories to be cherished forever. Life is always happening at SMS Lucknow. Be a part of our hobby clubs and participate in various extra and co-curricular activities. Start living the party culture of the corporate world. Work hard, party harder. It's your gateway to success.
So, see you at SMS Lucknow.
I hope you all like our college tour.
Now I would like to introduce all about our event Ingenuity 2021. Ingenuity is an event organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering in previous years. This year, due to pandemic situation, we are organizing this event through an online mode. This event consists of various sub-events like dancing, singing, coding, web designing, gaming,
Vikram,
etc.
just wait.
Let's
I
have
will
a
like to stop
glimpse
you.
of
Vikram,
event.
please stop. We are having our guest, Mr. Ashish Misra from HCL America. He has recently joined us. And on behalf of the department and SMS Institute, I welcome him in our fest. Please continue, Vikram.
Our first round is coding round. That is named as Code Fisher. This is an event that is based on programming language code.
Our next round is dancing event, which named as Spark.
The third event is singing event that is named as MyCon. Here, all participants have to perform their skills on, and we will recognize the talent of singing between them.
Is
Addition of this event that have enough knowledge of web development will show their talent by drafting their websites, and they will send us link and we will evaluate them.
Our next event is, which is most important and as well as interesting. This is Esports Warrior, in which participants will play PUBG and chess.
Next event in our list is a GS quiz that will check the general knowledge of all participants, and it is performed via online Google Form format. I hope you all liked our events. Now, I would like to share the name of colleges that were participated in our event. KPR College of Art, Science and Research, Prestige Institute of Management Research from Indore, Sagar Group of Institute Research and Technology from Bhopal, Coimbatore Institute of Technology, Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Odisha, KIT Group of Institution Ghaziabad, Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad.
In the addition of list, we have Indus Institute of Technology and Management, Chand Kalyan Institute of Technical Excellence from Lucknow, Sri Ram Sarup Memorial University from Lucknow, Dayal Group of Institution, Lucknow, Krishna Institute of Technology from Kanpur, National PG College from Lucknow, Rajat PG College from Lucknow.
And we also have participation from our co-college, that is School of Management Sciences, Varanasi, Rajkumar Goyal Institute of Technology from Ghaziabad, Vaisavi College of Engineering from Hyderabad, Kanpur University, Shri Jainarayan Mishra PG College, Lucknow, Lucknow University, Ganpat University, Mehsan, Gujarat.
And next in the list is Government Polytechnic, Lucknow, Dr. B. Ambedkar Institute of Technology from Bengaluru, SNDT College of Arts from Mumbai, Lovely Professional University from Punjab, Kamla Nehru Institute of Physical and Social Sciences from Sultanpur, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, and Amity University from Lucknow.
In the addition, we have BBD University, Lucknow, Rama University, UP, IT College, Lucknow, Dayal Bagh Educational Institute, Agra, Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology, Kolkata, Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapit, Varanasi. Thus, you can see that a various of colleges has participated in this event, and now
I would like to request our HOD Sir Dr. Hemant Kumar Singh to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Ashish Kumar Mishra, project leader at HCL America.
Hello and welcome, Mr. Ashish Kumar, in our event. You are not audible, sir. Unmute yourself, please.
Thank you, Mr. Hemant. Thanks for giving me opportunity and inviting me on this great event.
So I would like to tell about who is Mr. Ashish Mishra and how I know him, and he is one of my best friends, and we are basically college friends, and he is working in HCL America as a project leader since long back. He is having 18 years of experience in the field of computer science and engineering, and he is a very good expert in developing the business rules for the service. Now they are having that is the HCL software that is designed by HCL, and he is expert in writing the business rules for HCL and that particular project. So I once again welcome you, sir, for giving your precious time for our event, and I would like please share something for our students that how the industry is going forward and how they can cope with the industry, what the industry is demanding, and can you suggest something for our students in this event?
Sure, Mr. Hemant. So good morning, all of you. Good morning, all the teachers, students, and colleagues who are watching this presentation and the meeting. And I think you guys are recording as well, right? For future reference. So I have a very brief introduction. Like I did my graduation from Lucknow University in computer science and mathematics in '99, and then I started for looking master degree in the computer science or application field. So at the same time, like if you remember, there was a UPM CAT exam conducted by Motilal. So we participated there and we got admission in the MC program. But at the same year, like government decided to create a new technical university. So that was the year where we were basically experimental student with the new university, new syllabus, new curriculum, new building, new colleges here and there, and nobody knows about that. Especially the first set of people who are passed from the UPTU in MCA, MBA, BTech, everything was new. So we got admission in 2000 and passed out 2003. And Mr. Hemant, your teacher, HOD, was my colleague and my college. And after that, like the corporate journey started. I started my career with Patni Computers, which is a well-known company in that time. So I worked around 6 years there, and then I moved to HCL. I joined HCL in 2010, and in 2015 I moved to US under HCL America program. I'm still working I'm in India. Basically, I'm in Lucknow now. I moved 3 months back, and but I'm still working for the same client in EST timing. So my timing are a little bit different. Like I work 5:30 evening till 3:30 morning. So that is my schedule. Regarding the change in the technology in last 17, 80 years, yes, it's very drastic changes. Like when we were in a college, we are focusing on a lot of programming and database things, right? But when you go in the industry, there is something more, just not just a programming. There is a project management, there is a leadership, there is an initiative, there is a responsibilities. So if you are a programmer guys, like, and you are not focusing on the other aspects of a work area, you are not going to basically achieve your goals in your corporate life. So balance your life with the technical and the professional etiquettes, as well as the project management skill sets. So every 5 years, like you as a student, like when you are leaving from the college, you must have a short-term goals. Like what is a short-term goals? Like how to get a job, right, in your desired field. And then you started building your next 3 years or 5 years goals, like how you want to sustain yourself in that technology area. What is coming? What is the new things are coming in the field of your line, right? You cannot hold that thing for the 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. You have to keep changing. 10 years before, I was working as a Java programmer. After 5 years, when I go to US, I never work on the Java, but I work something else which I had never worked before. So like cloud computing, project management, networking, there's a lot of things going over the cloud, right? So which you can learn from any step. Like if you are a 1 year, even the first year student, if they want to learn the cloud computing, they can use their 4 years or 3 years degree program to master on the cloud computing. So students, my advice is overall, like keep focus on your targets, and whatever coming in the market industries, go and grab for that, learn that, and practical. So out of the word market is so practical. If you have a certification that is add-on values, for example, if you want to go on the AWS side, and you have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a lot of certifications on top of that, that is a value added. And someone doesn't have the certifications, but they have a practical knowledge, right? So mix and match. Keep your goal set based on your experience level, because first 5 years, then 5 years, then 5 years, as you are going to grow on a higher designation or higher role and responsibility, your technical skill is going to be less, but your analytical and your leadership, your risk-taking capability will be measured by your organization. Based on that, you will be grown up. So this is all about, I want to share my thoughts with all of you, that focus. There's a lot of things like in the market these days, like I can say like Scrum, Agile, project management, cloud computing. So even like cloud is going to be very vast. All the application is going to vast. In future, like people will less programs, right? Like nobody wants to do a programming and a core coding. All the clients wants to utilize the existing products, which is already coded by someone else, right? You just need to go and configure and customize for them, right? So future is like everything is called cloud. Go for learning is a lot of online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, EDX, so many short-term courses. Develop your analytical skills, develop your like whatever area you feel that you're lacking, like you go for that and learn from the platforms, from your teachers, right? And there's a LinkedIn profile. When you're trying to go for job skills, like go on the creative profile, search the people who are working in the area which you want to learn, like the data science and AI, ML. Connect with them, read their whatever they are posting, right? Journals or any articles, and try to connect with them, try to learn from them, right? Try to connect, increase your social networking, right? So people should know that there's someone is working on the data science in SMS Institute, right? So this will be very great help for yourself, right? I think I'm taking too much time, right? It is a never-ending talk. Thanks for giving me this opportunity, and I would like to hear any further help, any question from the students, offline or online. I'm available in Lucknow, or you can connect with me. Anyone wants to connect. Thank you, Mr. Hemant, and thank you all the teachers and students joining and watching me and hearing me here. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ashish, for giving some valuable suggestions and points to our students. And I think students will keep in mind and go ahead. So, thank you.
We again thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable experience with us. Now, I would request my HOD, sir, to lead our inauguration ceremony.
Thank you. Respected dignitaries present over here, guest for this session, Mr. Ashish, and my colleagues, participating teams from different universities, colleges, and all gathered over here. A warm good morning and welcome in this event, Inaugurate Ingenuity 2021, the Inter-College Technical Fest. The event is being hosted by students of Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SMS Lucknow. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering was established in year 2008. Since inception of the institute, with the intake of 60 seats, this department was started. And then the seats were increased from 60 to 90. And this year we are also going to introduce an emerging technology course that our guest also told, the AI and data science. That is the emerging area in computer science. The department started with the vision of providing the quality education and mission of producing high quality leaders that can serve the nation with great zeal. The large number of alumni of the Department of Computer Science are working in various top MNCs like IBM, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, and many more. This extravaganza suggests possibilities, opportunities, creativity, and colorfulness of youth and its faith and belief in the technology. Today, you all get a chance to express yourself in the best spirit, friendly competitiveness. It is time to enjoy the displays of immense talent on the huge canvas that is spread out for you. I take this opportunity to welcome all the participating teams once again. Let me wish all of you good success. At the end of the day, there will be winners. At the same time, there will be some who may not finish at top 3, but then they are not losers. They have put their best effort. It is that which counts more than being able to win. So strive for the excel. I congratulate and thank all the members of the organizing team for their selfless effort to make this event a grand success. Once again, wish all the participants great success. Thank you.
So please cut the ribbon.
Now I would like to invite our DG sir to inaugurate the function and open it for all. Please, I would like to say that event is open for all. So inaugurate.
Thank you, Dr. Hemant, and our director, Dr. Manoj Mehrotra, is also present over here.
Director, welcome.
I would like to congratulate to all the participants as well our guest who is present over there. I would like to welcome Mr. Ashish Mishra as well all the participants who are present over here from I think more than 35 colleges, universities all over the country. They are participating over here. I must compliment everybody for participating to this. I would request our director sir and dean academic Dr. Dharmenji also join this inaugural session and let us start the opening. I'm just pressing inaugural. Just get it.
Please everyone join to inaugurate the function. Please inaugurate it.
Again, especially for student, congratulations.
Thank you. Please, now the event is open. You can go ahead.
Thank you, sir, and all respected faculties and my dear participants. We are part of this event. Now, I would like to ask everyone to stand on their place for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Once again, again, thank you all
everyone
for
for
being the
joining
part
us.
of our prestigious event. I hope all will like our event and give us a positive feedback. Thank you.
Now we can left.